You can check he's no longer excited. He's even crying. He's now crying.
So three.
Yeah.
So three.
You are crying. Why are you crying? You're crying for the train. So I had to come back to book the ticket. I ended up rethinking my plan, and I just decided to use the economy. It's just 24 hours to Mbeya. So they say the only difference between economy and first class or second class is that it's just that in the economy you will be seated, there are no beds. So I just get to the hotel and I rethink my plan, and we are doing it TAZARA train from Salaam up to Mbeya. Hello guys, the day has finally come where I will be boarding the train, the TAZARA train from Salaam up to Mbeya. I couldn't find a straight one that could have taken me from here to Zambia. So I'm going to board the one that will take me from here to Mbeya. So I'm here in Salaam at the TAZARA train station, waiting to board, which is at 2 in the afternoon. So just wait around and confirm a couple of things, and just to see if I can upgrade my ticket. I just want to try my luck and ask if it can be upgraded. So I just go to the office and ask them if they might have a few dropouts on the first or second class tickets. So yeah guys, that's it. Let's go inside and check out the waiting area. So this train is said it will take around 24 hours, but let's just give it 24 to 48 hours. But that's part of adventure. We just have fun and enjoy as we'll be moving around. So yeah, let me just grab my bag and I'll move. So they have this small cafeteria just inside the waiting area where you can buy your food and drinks. Yeah, this is the waiting area. And these are the toilets. So I'm just at the waiting area. It seems a lot of people are now ready to depart. So I'm not sure if it will be here on time or not, but a lot of people are now here at the waiting area. So let's just wait and see what's the outcome. So as others term this the most unreliable train, or the train that needs people who are not in a hurry. So many people are just seated outside, some are inside the waiting room, as the trains have been changed. We were supposed to board at 2. It's now around, it's now 2. That was our boarding time. But I've asked the team, I've asked the workers at the train station, and they told me that they had to change the time to up to 8 in the evening. So we are just waiting up until they will tell us when we'll board. So we are just here at TAZARA Railway Station, just waiting to board so that we'll go to Mbeya. So yeah, you can just check out, many people are just seated waiting for the boarding time. So yeah guys, this is inside the TAZARA Railway Station. You can see people are already all over. If you can check there, the counter, people have started booking for the next week trains. So the good thing is booking really in advance. So these are like some of the pictures that depicts the agreement between the Chinese government, the Zambian and the Tanzanian government, showing us that the foundation stone was laid around on the 26th of October in 1970. So yeah, these ones. So let me just go back, sit down and enjoy before we leave. I've also made a friend, Japanese friend, who's also taking the TAZARA train.
Daddy. Daddy.
Good chicken half. So guys, I've met a friend from Japan. What's your name?
Shogo.
I've met a friend, Shogo. We're also riding the same train to Mbeya. And the sad part is the train is going to delay up to 8 o'clock and it's still 2 in the afternoon.
Hard.
Yes. Shogo almost cried when I told him the news. But yeah, we have so much fun in the TAZARA train.
Yes, so excited.
Shogo is going all the way to see the mighty Victoria Falls. Are you happy about seeing the Victoria Falls, brother?
Yes, I'm looking forward to go to Victoria Falls.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, we'll be updating you our journeys. We'll be going through all the way to Mbeya. Stay tuned. People are so angry. So they just made the official announcement that the train will depart at 8 or after 8. You can see people are now moving out. People are super angry, but they don't have any choice but to just go out, buy food, or even go back home, then come later. If you stay, it might be delayed more and more. So people are just picking up and leaving the station. But for some of us, we don't have anywhere to go.
Yeah.
So we'll stick around. He's now crying. So we'll stick around till we get to the time. So even if we might end up sleeping here at the station. That's how unpredictable the train is. Okay guys, so it's 6 o'clock and one good thing happened. We've been upgraded to super seater class, which is better, like maybe 5 or 10 times better than third class. So we are now happy for the delay because we ended up getting an upgrade. We are now very happy. One kind gentleman just called us and was like, they are now 2 opening, come through and we upgraded. So guys, we'll keep you posted as we'll be showing you our super seats. So they said it's a bit safer than the third class and we can as well relax along the journey. We also get window seats, so that will be epic. You're now happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. Thanks today.
You are not happy? So as you can see, they've locked the doors. I think, let me just show you. So that's where the door is. They've locked it and they started checking if we all have tickets. So we are now locked inside. I think we are almost about to leave this place. Or maybe boarding time will be in the next, maybe, I don't know. Might take the whole day, but they have locked the place and they checked if all of us have tickets, which means we might be getting to the departure anytime soon. So yeah, The kids are now restless. Even the adults, they are also restless too. We didn't really want to go because by now we could have been somewhere far away from this place, but we are still inside, just waiting to be told when we'll leave the place. So there are two restaurants here. Whilst you are waiting, you can buy your water, your drinks, or even food. This is the restaurant which is inside. They have all the snacks, so it's easy. And this is the second one. So you can come here, relax and buy your food whilst you're waiting for the train and eat. You can have what meals as they have microwaves as well. You can come and eat over here. This is the area. Okay, so that's the restaurant over there where you can just come sit. So for now, let me just sit and wait like everyone else. I think we are almost about to depart as the situation has become a bit tense and ready. So it's almost boarding time. As you can see, all the bags, they are now getting them ready so that they can load them onto the train. If you can see, they use like carts, push carts to load the bags onto the train. So if you have bigger bags, whenever you plan to travel with TAZARA train, make sure you make arrangements with those porter guys. Then they'll take your bags at a fee. They'll charge you. If you don't speak Swahili, they'll charge you more. But you need to bargain till you get to the actual price. So at least from 5,000 and below, that would be reasonable. If they might charge you 10,000 shillings for one bag, which is around $4 or $5. So you need to negotiate way down so that you can get your bags ported to the train. So so I ended up moving from the third class waiting area up to the first class. So I'm now in the first class waiting area, and there are a few people here, and even the lighting, it's not that bad. The lighting is good, it's not that bad. And there is my friend over there enjoying his snacks while seated. He's so anxious. He thought the train has come, but it's not the train. So yeah, guys, these are the updates. Yes, it's now around 7 in the evening. We're just waiting for the train. You can see mine is on the first one. That grey suitcase, that's mine, just there. So this I'm relieved that it's going on to the train. But whatever happens, this will be the best train ride of my life, as it is unexpectedly scary as well as unpredictable. I like the unpredictability of all this. So I think we might end up leaving this place. I think the earliest will be 12 midnight, because it's almost to 8 and we are still here, and they haven't started loading the bags, as well as we haven't boarded yet. So that nature of unpredictability is what I'm all for, and trust me, I'm enjoying these moments. I hope I have so much fun as well on the train. So it's now 11 p.m. There's nothing. The train is nowhere to be found. And we are all now sleepy. You can check he's no longer excited. He's even crying. He's now crying.
So sleepy.
Yeah. You're even crying. You are crying. Why are you crying? You're crying for the train.
Everyone sleeping and crying.
You're crying at the same time. Yeah, we're still waiting. I'm now sleeping, tired, and hungry. So I couldn't find food at the local shop here at the station. They said all the food is finished. Like, they've sold everything they have. So I was hoping that I might get something as soon as I get on the train, but it's now almost 11 p.m. and the train is nowhere to be found. We're just seeing some movements outside, but I don't think it's the train coming this side. It's just the movement around the area. So my lucky guess might be leaving around maybe 12 midnight. It might, yeah. There are so many bells. They're just trying to make us happy and be joyous, but there's nothing. So it's now 12 a.m. Yo, 12. So it's now 12 midnight and everyone's now asleep or just zombieing around. We are tired and exhausted. The adventure has not yet begun. So almost like everyone has slept. Only a few people, mostly men, are still awake. Most people are just looking outside the windows, hoping the train might just pop up from the dark. But trust me, the train is not coming. I've been excited at first, but I'm now getting bored bit by bit as the train is not coming. Like, I can't wait any longer. I'm now frustrated. I'm now bored. But as they say in Mukuba, it's a train of unexpected events that will be folding. Which means we, as planned, I would plan that I might arrive tomorrow, Saturday, but we won't be doing it that way. We'll get there, I think, around Sunday or even Monday, who knows, with the way things are. So yeah, most everyone is asleep. We're just looking through the windows, hoping to see the train. So yeah, guys, let's just keep praying that the train will be What if they had asked us about the tickets? So we're now leaving Salaam. Yes. It's boarding time. It's 12 midnight and the train just arrived. So this is the train. So what we did is we just walked with the people who are in first class because we didn't want to join the longer queue. So we're now at the train. You see, till we get to the 2000s, just check out the camera. He was asleep.
I was asleep.
At least we're now at the train. So yeah, this is the famous TAZARA Mukuba train. See the beds, the mirrors. Ours is 2207. We're not even checking. It's this side. So we are inside the train. This is how it looked. 36, 40, 48. My bag is here. Oh, that's my set. Oh. So you see how the porters do. You find your bag inside the train. So let me put everything down nice and easy before there is commotion. Then I'll get back to you guys. But the train is dark, but this is how it looks. So you be 4 people. Be 4 of you. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is a table in the window. But this is how the super seats look like. It's a beta third class. So let me pick up, then we'll get back to you.
After waiting the whole day for the TAZARA Railway train, it finally arrived around midnight. Excited and exhausted at the same time, we boarded, and within minutes, the train slowly pulled away from the city of Salaam. As the clock passed midnight, most passengers drifted off to sleep. I took a quiet moment to walk through the train, taking it all in. The soft hum of the tracks, the dim lights, and the feeling that a real adventure had just begun. Not long after, I finally lay down to rest, knowing that by morning, somewhere far away from Salaam, a whole new chapter of this journey would be waiting.